Hi guys, it's Kris again. Guess what I got? But guess what I got? Yeah, it's freaking awesome. I also have to say I think there's a couple items missing from here, but it's okay. We have some girls that live just over to the side of us. It's 3 teenage girls, and they know all about makeup. So when we're getting our makeup in, they're finding it real easy to get the makeup. So, okay, what we've got, I do have a card that I can say, unfortunately, I'm only going to be able to tell you the cost because it's gone. Alright, we have Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol. This is $42. Now, to me, this looks like something worth trying, so I am definitely going to try it. Okay, then we have Stack the Odds. You guys, correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, this is $38. Correct me if I'm wrong, that we did not have this in a box like 2 weeks ago, in a different box, but I don't know, maybe it's just me being crazy, but how the hell oh, here we go. Well, sort of. I'm trying to get the mirror open because there is a mirror. Come on, man. Okay, I am just stabbing this everywhere, so I will just show you. This part right here has got the highlighter in it, and a mirror on the other side. This is blush. Let me see. And then this is bronze. Now, I don't understand why I can't. There we go. There we go. Okay. So, you know, Kathy looked at this and, of course, wanted it. But we just can't, I don't know. I ought to try it. I gave her the other one. I don't know what she did with it, but I did give her the other one. Okay. Then we have this. It's called the Shadow W Moon. It's a reusable shadow shield. I have no idea what that is. It is $15. Shadow Moon, yeah. Now, what I didn't get was I had a Cab Cosmetics powder that would have been loose. I did not get your Lactic Metallic Eye Sparkle. You know what? I did give that one. I gave it to Kathy. So I did get that one. That one's $20 bucks. And the rest of it I got, but I mean, there wasn't a whole lot. So for next time, you guys, I'm trying to figure out if there's a new, or maybe not new to you, but new to me, you know, a box. Something I could subscribe in if I choose to not subscribe in one of these others. So, if you guys know of anything, anything at all, just let us know. And the other thing I wanted to tell you is, you know how we've been looking like crazy for a cleaner that's not $17 a bottle. Well, this came in yesterday. This is Sonia Kuzak. And what I did is I dirtied up some brushes and decided to try and clean them with these. Well, it worked really well, so keep your fingers crossed. I'm hopeful. It did work, so, and it's only $9 a bottle as opposed to $17. Okay, guys, I don't have anything more. This is going to be a short video. Yeah, I just, if you feel like you would like to subscribe to our channel, please do so right over there, I think. And give us a thumbs up because it really helps. So no matter where you are, I hope you are well. Take care, have fun, and we will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.